Ethereum price set to dump to $1,500 next, by the dip. ETH. Ethereum. Ethereum's recent bearish breakout suggests a retest of $1,500 is very likely in the coming weeks. Here's why. Last updated, March 13, 2025. Author. Joel Frank. Author. Joel Frank. About author. Since graduating with a degree in economics from the University of Birmingham in 2018, Joel has worked as a financial market/cryptocurrency analyst. He firmly believes that emerging crypto technology. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. March 13, 2025 at 01:13 GMT +2. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Ethereum price set to dump to $1,500 next/source, cryptonews.com. ETH investors are in despair as they watch the Ethereum price continue to lose ground versus its major rivals like Bitcoin. Despite a surprise softening of U.S. consumer price inflation that gives the Fed room to ease rates later in 2025, per data released on Wednesday has failed to substantially lift the Ethereum price, which continues to languish well below $2,000. That's despite a solid recovery from lows of other major cryptos like Bitcoin, XRP, and BNB. Indeed, the ETH/BTC ration just hit its lowest level in nearly 5 years under 0.023. Ethereum's accelerating downward spiral versus Bitcoin is of major concern to its investors. At this rate, a retest of its 2019 lows around 0.016 could come imminently. And with the Ethereum price chart sending strong bearish signals, more downside is very likely. Here's where the Ethereum price is headed next. The Ethereum price has seen a break below, then rejection of the key long-term $2,140 resistance level in recent days. That sends a strong bearish signal that the early 2024 $2,000 to $4,000 range is a thing of the past and that Ethereum is likely to find a new range at lower levels. Bears will be eyeing a retest of the next major support zone around $1,500. A retest of these levels seems very likely in the context of an uncertain macro backdrop. Yes, softening U.S. inflation gives the Fed more room to signal a slightly more dovish stance in 2025. But the market's main concern will remain growing U.S. recession risk as DOGE austerity and Trump trade war uncertainty start to take their toll economic growth. If recession signals keep piling up in the coming weeks and the market isn't sufficiently satisfied that the Fed will be there to save the day, risk appetite is likely to continue to deteriorate. And while Bitcoin could hold up well thanks to strengthening narratives around it as a safe haven, store of wealth asset which have been emboldened since the Trump administration announced the creation of a strategic Bitcoin reserve, Ethereum is unlikely to receive much of a bid. Fundamentals thus suggest a retest of $1,500 is looking very likely. By the Ethereum dip. So if the Ethereum price is destined to collapse to lower levels, would this be a good time for investors to buy the dip? Yes, for investors willing to hold through significant near-term turbulence, buying any ETH dip would likely be a good move. Macro uncertainties will not last forever. And, at some point, U.S. financial conditions are likely to substantially ease, meaning a surge of liquidity in the market. Prior periods of strong Ethereum price performance have come at times of increasing liquidity from the Federal. So a strong rebound is to be expected as the Fed juices the market. Meanwhile, over the longer term, tailwinds from the Trump administration's pro-crypto policy stance should also aid Ethereum. The Trump administration is full of ETH hodlers. And regulatory clarity will give the Ethereum ecosystem a lot of room to grow over the coming years. Traders must also remember that Ethereum remains the dominant DeFi chain and the most trusted smart contract blockchain in crypto, hence its backing from BlackRock. As ugly as things look right now, and as much FUD as there is in the market, Ethereum's long-term outlook remains strong. Its biggest problem into the future is likely to remain a deteriorating market share as nimbler rivals attract new users at a faster rather than Ethereum does. That said, Ethereum is still far and away the best candidate for major institutions looking to take part in DeFi, thanks to its status as the most trusted and decentralized of the smart contract blockchains. Accumulating ETH as it approaches $1,500 with a view to hold for at least a few years could be a great strategy. Investors should not rule out the possibility that ETH reaches $10,000 by the end of Trump's 4-year term. Follow us on Google News. Trending News. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar rep. Nick Bejich introduces companion legislation to Senator Cynthia Lummis. Bitcoin Act. German-speaking investors predict significant Bitcoin price surge by 2030. Survey US SEC postpones approval decisions for several crypto spot ETFs. Price analysis. Picoin faces make or break moment. Can it survive the sell-off? 14 hours ago. By Simon Chandler. Altcoin news. Cardano price set for a 50% crash? Watch this key level. 1 day ago. By Joel Frank. Altcoin news. SEC acknowledges Nasdaq filing for Grayscale's HBR Trust ETF. 18 hours ago. By Hassan Shitu. Best crypto to buy now in March 2025. Top crypto to invest in. February 19, 2025. By NSS, Tavares. New crypto coins to invest in March 2025. 1 day ago. By NSS, Tavares. 8 best crypto pre-sales to invest in now. Upcoming token sales. March 3, 2025. By Meb Keelicuddy. 10 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in March 2025. March 3, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. March 3, 2025. By NSS, Tavares. The 12 next cryptocurrencies to explode in 2025 are top picks. September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2034. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH reach $5,000? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.